In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with a YouTube video in NotebookLM. We're going to walk through the full setup process in a simple way so you can take a YouTube video, bring it into NotebookLM, and start interacting with it more like a source you can explore. This is especially useful if you want to summarize a video, pull out key ideas, or ask follow-up questions without rewatching the entire thing. To get started, open your preferred search engine and search for NotebookLM. This is the quickest way to find the official tool if you don't already have it bookmarked. When the results appear, select Google NotebookLM, or simply click the first trustworthy result you see that leads to the official site. It's always a good idea to make sure you're landing on the correct Google page before moving forward. Once you're on the NotebookLM website, click on Try NotebookLM. This will take you into the platform so you can begin creating a workspace for your content. If prompted, make sure you're signed into the appropriate Google account so everything saves properly. After that, click on Create New Notebook. Think of a notebook as a dedicated workspace where NotebookLM keeps your sources and lets you ask questions about them. Creating a fresh notebook helps keep this specific YouTube source organized, especially if you plan to use the tool for multiple projects later. Inside the new notebook, click on the link option for the YouTube website. This is the step where you tell NotebookLM that the source you want to add is a web link, specifically a YouTube video. Make sure you choose the correct input area so the platform knows where to pull the content from. Next, paste in your YouTube URL. You can add multiple YouTube links if you want NotebookLM to work with several videos at once, but for this walkthrough, just use one. Using a single video first is a great way to test the feature and make sure everything imports the way you expect. Once the link is in place, click Insert. NotebookLM will begin processing the video as a source for your notebook. Depending on the video and the platform's response time, this may take a moment, so give it a few seconds to finish loading. And that's it. Your YouTube video is now added to NotebookLM and ready to use as a source. From here, you'll be able to interact with the content more efficiently inside your notebook. If you're following along, take your time with each click and double check that the correct video link is pasted before inserting it. That small detail can save you time and help everything run smoothly.